So say I create a sketch, and this is maybe something that I'm going to use that 3D sketch for that we haven't talked about yet. If I turn on 3D sketch, I can have it go out. Now I can go here, and I can go up that direction. I can go over, go down. Now I can lock on green direction. See how my sketch is there. Now I can make these two line up with each other. The same length. It's now I can tell it maybe I want this to be 15, to go up 5, 12 inches wide. And now I can add in some fillets. Now, whether I use the tube or the sweep, so turn it off, I'm done with it. Let's say I wanted this to be a rectangular piece for some reason that follows that profile. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Profile, path, turn on chain. Now it's following it. So it's kind of going up, over, turning around, make that piece. Okay. So 3D sketches or sweeps is where we'll actually turn on the 3D sketch to do that. Or I could do it with a pipe if I want it to be round. Make that piece or whatever. And so this is kind of the only time we use 3D sketches. It's the best time to use the 3D sketches if you're wanting to make a sweep, something that's going to go in all three directions. There's some people that try and use 3D sketches for everything, and usually it makes it more difficult. So use 2D sketches 99.9% of the time. When you need a 3D sketch to do something like this, because otherwise you would have to make it an extrude, and then a sweep, and then a sweep, and then a sweep, right? We'd have to have, this could be one from here to here, and then do a new sketch plane here, and do that one, and then do that one. A little tedious. But you do have to kind of watch what you're doing with the 3D sketch so you don't get kind of bobulated.